Ever wondered about the secret to youthful skin? Today, we're going to explore a treasure trove of nature's bounty that holds the key to maintaining that fresh, youthful glow. Yes, we're talking about oils. Not just any oils, but specific ones packed with natural elements that nourish, hydrate, and rejuvenate your skin, fighting off wrinkles and signs of aging. These oils are your secret weapon for ageless beauty. So, are you ready? Let's dive into the world of oils that can keep your skin looking young and fresh. First on our list is rosehip oil. Renowned for its rejuvenating properties, rosehip oil is packed with vitamins A and C, which are known to boost collagen production and minimize fine lines and wrinkles. With its potent antioxidant properties, it also defends your skin against environmental stressors. Next up is argan oil, often referred to as liquid gold. This oil is rich in essential fatty acids and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that fights off free radicals, thus helping to slow down the aging process. Its hydrating properties also help to maintain skin elasticity. Last but certainly not least, we have marula oil. This lightweight oil absorbs quickly and hydrates the skin deeply, making it ideal for dry and aging skin. It's packed with amino acids and antioxidants that help to restore the skin's elasticity, giving it a youthful and radiant glow. These three oils alone can do wonders for your skin. Moving forward, jojoba oil takes the fourth spot. This oil is a game changer. It's actually a wax, not an oil, and it's remarkably similar to the sebum our skin naturally produces. This means it's readily absorbed, helping to hydrate and soften the skin without leaving a greasy residue. The result? Fewer wrinkles and a youthful, radiant glow. Next up, we have the mighty grapeseed oil. Packed with antioxidants and omega-6 fatty acids, it's a powerhouse in fighting premature aging. This oil helps to repair skin damage, increase collagen production, and tighten skin, thereby reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Finally, let's talk about pomegranate oil. This oil is rich in punicic acid, a potent antioxidant and skin protector. It aids in skin regeneration, fights off free radicals, and supports collagen production, which is key in maintaining skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles. Imagine the magic these oils can do to your skin when used regularly. Last but not least, we have avocado oil. A powerhouse of vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, this oil is a champion for your skin. Its rich, creamy texture penetrates deeply, delivering essential nutrients that stimulate skin repair and smoothen fine lines. Next in line, we have almond oil. This sweet, aromatic oil is a treasure trove of antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals, slowing down the aging process. Rich in vitamin E and K, almond oil helps improve skin elasticity and promotes better circulation, resulting in a youthful, radiant glow. Finally, we introduce olive oil, the Mediterranean secret to ageless beauty. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins A and E, olive oil protects your skin from environmental damage while nourishing it from within. This oil's anti-inflammatory properties also help to soothe and heal, revealing a smoother, more vibrant complexion. With these oils, the fountain of youth isn't as elusive as it seems. With regular use, you'll find your skin looking and feeling more youthful, more radiant, and more vibrant. So, are you ready to fight wrinkles and achieve youthful skin? Now that we've delved into the power of 9 incredible oils, each with its unique benefits, the path to youthful skin seems clear. From boosting collagen production to providing deep hydration, these oils are indeed your secret weapon. So don't hesitate to incorporate them into your skincare routine. Remember, your skin is a reflection of your health, and these oils are your allies in maintaining its youthful glow.